Okay, do you see that?
Yep.
Yeah, you just do copyright, continue, found it from, okay. Yeah, so I found content, yeah, continue. And so you just need to have all the details. Ideally, you're going to have like a link to the ad.
Okay.
So you'll need like the Facebook URL for that ad.
Now, does that have to be on your organic post, or can that be on your dark posts?
It doesn't. Okay, so you don't want to report your post. You want to report someone who's stolen yours.
Right.
So
right.
you need, so if you see someone using your video, then you can save the post. There's one of the options when you're inside Facebook.
Okay.
So like so if I go into Facebook and I go, so like even here, so I can click the three dots here.
Yep.
I can save post.
Okay.
And then I can go into my saved posts. I have to see where that is. Hold on. Okay, more. I want my saved posts somewhere in here. Saved. Okay, so if I go into saved, you see here's the post that I just saved right here. Yeah. And then I can do, so I mean like, let's try to find a video ad that I saved. So this is a video ad right here, and I can like open, link a new tab, and then let's see, just trying to get the post ID. Oh, this is what you can do. Show video URL. Okay, so when you're in the video, so show it, and then you can copy it. Let's just Control A, Control C. And ideally what you want is the URL to the post.
To the infringing post.
Yeah, to the infringing post.
Okay.
I think you might be able to do it here to copy link. Let's copy link. What's that going to do? I think that's the same thing. 443. So let's see if you can report it here. Intellectual property. Yeah, this is actually telling you to go to the help center.
Okay.
And then it's actually right here. So you can, yeah, so if you find that, you can go and you just follow the same links and so forth. Okay, so that's about it. You just do your form, continue with my copyright. So you'll have to provide all this other information. You want your contact information, and then photo, video, and so that's where you're going to put in the URL. So if you have a number of them, okay, I'll give you another thing to look for. So let's just go. So ideally, you're going to try to find all. So if this person is using your video in an ad, so what you'll want to do is to find their go to the page that they're using to run the ads.
Yep.
Well, let me try to find an example of that. So here is we're going to click on this page, and then it should be having a link down here.
I think this page transparency to the right, isn't it?
What do you mean?
If you scroll down just a little bit, I think it's under page transparency right there, isn't it?
Well,
To see their ads.
yeah, I see their ads. Have they moved that?
Yeah, they moved it over to there. I think that's how I
Oh,
found them
okay.
today.
Okay, so then, yeah, you want to go. I don't see any ads though.
It says ads in ad view and ads library right there at the bottom.
Oh, okay, ads from this page.
I think that's where it is. That's
That's
where I
it.
was at today, and that's how I found them.
Yeah, so in there, then what you want to do is every single ad that they're running or post or anything, you want those put those URLs inside your report.
Okay.
So you try to find everything possible that you can. Did they copy your ad copy and everything?
No, I don't think they did the ad copy, but they did the video. They just
Oh,
stole the video, and then they just changed the ad copy, and they changed the ending of it. And one guy, he took bits of it, and then he re-edited it with other bits and kind of made his own.
so what you want to do is it's just with anything with Facebook, just make sure that you're extremely clear on it. Just assume that the person reading it doesn't know much about copyright.
Yeah.
And just, you just, I mean, I know this goes without saying, just, be very professional and thank them for their help and everything.
And do I have to show them like proof of my video, like I'm the original owner? Is that how?
I don't think that there is. So you can, then in here you're going to need to show your links too, provide your copyrighted work.
Okay.
So this is the infringing work, and this is the this is going to be you need to show a whole bunch of your ads too.
Okay.
And you might even mention, the date you actually paid some. I know you had paid some people to make some of your videos.
Well, the one that I did, the one that they're taking is the one I took a while ago, like about 2 years ago.
Right, but I think you had someone do that for you, right?
Yeah, it wasn't that particular one, but yeah,
Okay.
I did before that.
Yeah. So just be real clear, and you might even state the date and time and place,
Okay.
and a screenshot of the. If you can, I don't know how much you can put in here. It's been a while since I've done one, but in the past, I mean, I gave them more than what they asked for.
Okay.
So I would even in here, like, put the URLs of your author, some of your authorized examples of the work. But when I did it, I took screenshots of the files that I had in the original files from the shoot.
Okay. Now, what about images, like your own personal images that you take? Would you even mess with those if someone steals those?
Has someone done that too?
Yeah. They put them on their website.
Is it the same people?
Yeah. One of them, yeah.
Okay, so you can put them. You do the same thing.
Oh,
you
okay.
get all
There
the
it is.
post IDs, photo, video, or post, and just put everything you can find in there.
Okay. Now, if it's a shop on their Shopify store, would that go through Shopify, or would that still go through Facebook?
Yes. Then now you can go Shopify DMCA.
Okay.
And then they'll have their own. You do a takedown procedure.
Okay.
I mean, I get stuff. I do this on Google. I do it on YouTube. I do it on other websites.
Oh wow. Okay.
Oh yeah. And so, and the thing is, it's important. It's very important to do this. So what you don't want to happen is for a pirate to report you.
Yeah.
So it's important that you protect your intellectual property as quickly and do it, as quickly and as thoroughly as possible.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds good. I appreciate that. I guess it's just a new problem to have. If I can
It's been
come
around for a long time.
up.
I had one of my students who, it was 2 years ago, the pirate reported him,
Uh-huh.
and he lost like 2 stores and like 9 ad accounts,
Wow,
like
because he
all in
didn't
one.
go after him, huh?
Well, I don't think he knew what happened. I have the sneaking feeling he might not have been the originator of the content.
Oh, whoops. Yeah,
So,
yeah. Okay. Well, it's good to know. It's good to know where all the lines are, you know?
yeah. Yeah. So you want to do it as quickly as possible and be very, very, very thorough.
And then maybe I'll like record a little video while I'm doing it and then hand it over to a VA and be like, have them kind of set up kind of like a templates and stuff.
Well, I'm not sure how. Um,
The VA can do it.
well, to do, I don't want to have your VA to do. I mean, submitting this
Yeah.
into Facebook. You should do that yourself.
Okay.
Yeah, don't let a VA do that.
In
That's
case it's a mistake. Okay.
yeah. It's just too many opportunities for something to go wrong. What if they transposed, put your stuff in the complaint, and then
Yeah, that would be a mess. Yeah.
that
Good.
would then you'd never. It would take you so much to unravel that.
Okay. I'll just keep at it then here.
Yeah. Well, and when you're creating things on the internet, then this will happen from time to time. But it's best if you do it yourself.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
If
one other
it was
question.
just a bunch of, since with this, you're only dealing with 2 places, Shopify and Facebook. It would be completely different if, like, 40 websites had your photo on it. Then I would just get a VA to do that.
Okay. Like a eBay or a AliExpress or something like that, right?
Right. Well, I've had stuff that I've put out on the internet that is people that need to pay for, and then they put it on all these pirate websites. And I have a VA that takes care of that. But he both submits the DMC complaints to the websites and the search engine takedowns on Google. But we're dealing with a much large. I mean, he literally, in a month if a bunch of pirates take things, I mean, he may be, spend 15 hours, doing it all. So
Yeah.
but yeah, if it's just Facebook and Shopify, I definitely want to. That's probably something you want to do yourself.
Yeah, I've seen my photos on AliExpress and
Oh, you have?
oh yeah, eBay. I've seen them on all, and I just really haven't messed with it. But now I think it's time that.
It's time, yeah. And even with AliExpress, they have a DMCA.
Okay.
They have in the early days of drop shipping on AliExpress. It's like AliExpress had so much like Disney stuff and
Yeah.
and it's really there's a lot less.
Yeah.
And so I think I mean, Jack Ma, that, he wants that business to take over the world, and he can't do that if he's stealing other people's, if the vendors are stealing things from others. So I think he's trying to clean that up.
Okay, cool. I'll go ahead and get on this then.